Jaanavi, what is this?
Sun.
Sun. Okay, stick the sun. Perfect. Jaanavi, what is this?
Red.
Bat. Where should the bat go? Correct. What is this?
Huh?
What is this? Tell me. Kaimalla? What is it? Wait. Where should a bird go? Correct. No. Will the bird come at night? No.
No.
The bird will come at
No.
daytime.
Daytime.
Yeah. What is this? First tell that. What is this?
Apple.
Huh?
Apple.
What is it?
Apple.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Okay, where should the rainbow go? Stick it. Perfect. What is this?
Star.
Star, is it? When will star come? When will star come? When will star come, Jaanavi? Jaanavi. Jaanavi. When will star come? At? When will star come? Day or night?
Day.
Star will come at what time? Day or night?
Wait.
Night. Correct. What is left now? Where is the moon?
I take your home.
Stick that moon properly. Yes. Okay, now tell me, Jaanavi, what is this? Jaanavi, what is this? What is this? See, listen to what Amma is asking. What is this? What is this? Moon. Tell me. What is this?
Moon.
What is this?
Star.
What is this?
Bird.
Correct. What is this?
Sun.
Sun. What is this? Bird.
Bird.
What is this?
Go, go, go.
Yeah, bird says coo coo coo. What is this?
Hmm?
What is this? What is this? Hmm? Hmm?
Okay.
Open. What is this?
Apple.
Correct. Rainbow. Everybody clap for Jaanavi.
Tap, tap.
Clap, clap, clap. Okay. Jaanavi, are you ready? Wait. Are you ready? Okay. So how do you actually match it? What is this?
What is this? Moon.
No, that's actually
Dun.
din 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 din. What's it? Cloud. Okay. Pick the next one.
This is some
Where is the star? Where is the other star?
no cup.
That clouds didn't is over. Atella Kiran, come. Where is the other star, Jaanavi? Find the other star. Where is the other star, Jaanavi? Correct. Now let's match it. Come. Din 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 din. Correct. Everybody clap for what? This is star. We have already kept this. Let it be here. Cloud and then star. Now. Oh, Tinkle Tinkle Little Star, yeah? Okay, sing Tinkle Tinkle Little Star.
How I wonder what it was up above the I said I He was a bird
Like a diamond.
in the sky.
Shall we sing once again? Twinkle, twinkle, little star,
how I wonder what they were. Up above the sky,
like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle.
Oh wait, no.
Okay, that's enough. Wait, we just completed the star. Now what should we do? Moon and star is over.
Appa,
Listen, Jaanavi.
listen,
Listen.
listen.
Yeah, where is the other pair of sun? Correct. Now match it. Do it patiently. Yeah, come. Tin, tidin, 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 tidin. Okay, next goes pair of. We are done with that, Jaanavi. That's fine. Do the moon now. Match the moon. You have picked the right pair. Now match the moon. Come on. Match it. Okay? You do that. Dudun kero. Don't tell me you do that. Tin, tidin. Come on, you do that. Tin, tidin, 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 tidin. Moon. Correct.